To this story now, Malusi and Siyabonga Ndimande's lawyers have told the Manzini Magistrate's Court in Eswatini that they need the case docket before they can argue the extradition application against their clients. But the state is concerned that disclosing the docket could expose witnesses in the murder of South African rapper Kiernan AKA Forbes and his friend Tebello Tibz Motsoane. The pair were gunned down while leaving a restaurant on Durban's popular Florida Road in February of last year. Newzroom Afrika's Mweli Masilela tells us more.
It's almost 3 months since Malusi and Siyabonga Ndimande were arrested in Eswatini for their alleged role in the murder of Kiernan AKA Forbes and Tebello Tibz Motsoane. The South African and Eswatini governments have been working together to have the pair extradited home to join 5 co-accused. The state has raised concerns about delays with the extradition process.
There is a real risk that the accused in the South African cases may argue that they are prejudiced by any delay caused by the extradition inquiry. The cellular phones that have been assessed in terms of Article 19 of the treaty are also required as evidential material, and further investigation into these devices must be undertaken. It is our humble submission, Your Lordship, that may this matter be treated with the sense of urgency, Your Lordship. The matter is taken too long, Your Lordship, to be concluded, Your Lordship, and there is no reasonable explanation, Your Lordship, as to why the matter is dragging so long without any papers being filed by the respondent, whether they are on the to state the grounds upon which they are opposing the extradition application.
Lawyers representing the Ndimande brothers say they can't file arguments in the extradition application until they are granted access to the case docket. They also want to know why their clients are charged for possession of firearms when only cell phones were found on them during their arrest. The state has clarified the matter.
Your Lordship, it is our humble submission, Your Lordship, that the respondents are not requested to be brought back to South Africa on the basis that they were found in possession of firearms in Swaziland, in Eswatini. The request is based on the fact that they are to face criminal charges relating to the unlawful possession of firearms in the Republic of South Africa.
The court ruled that both the state and defense should file their heads of argument on the disclosure of the case docket before the 14th of June, when the matter returns to court.
Now, a number of legal flaws were pointed out by the applicants on the request. Now, to say that it is irregular and misplaced in a number of legal aspects. Now, it is not important at this juncture for the court to start listing those contentions raised. What is good is that both sides have since agreed that the matter be argued on the 14th of June.
The fact that there are still going to be arguments on whether the defense should be furnished with further particulars or not is an indication that this matter is going to take even more time. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mweli Masilela in Manzini, Eswatini.